Hello, everyone. This week is October 8th through 12th, and we are learning all about fire safety. Coming up next week, don't forget that we have conferences. Before this week is over, I need you to return this pre-conference form. This will help me know what we need to talk about at your conference and is a chance to let you tell me what you would like to talk about next week. So, again, your times went home last week for when your conference is along with this form. So please fill out this form and send it back as soon as possible. This week, we are having show and tell on Friday. Because we're learning about fire safety this week, your job at home is to help your kinder draw a map of your house and then draw a path of how you would escape your house if there is a fire. It's good to have your primary escape path and also a secondary escape path just in case that first one is blocked, and then to have a meeting place where your family knows this is where you go in case of a fire. So we will share our maps on Friday during show and tell. This week for language arts, our sight word is the word like. We are reading this book called I Love School, and I will be posting that video for you if you would like to listen to that book at home. We are also working on onset and rhyme blending, which is just a fancy way of saying if I tell you two parts of a word, can you put those two together to make a new word? Like if I said bite, could you put those two sounds together to make the word bite? That is something you could be practicing at home. We are also going to be focused on telling the beginning, middle, and end of a story. So when you're reading with your parents this week, after you get done with your bedtime story, try and tell them what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end of your story. Another thing we're working on is all the letter sounds. We finished the letter Z last week, so now we should know what sound all those letters say. For math this week, we're going to be acting out some addition and subtraction stories. So a story might go like this. There were 3 butterflies in the tree, and then 4 more butterflies landed in the tree. How many butterflies are in the tree now? So we're working on stories that put numbers together and also stories that take numbers apart. Like, there were 7 butterflies in the tree and 4 flew away. How many are still in the tree now? We're also going to be exploring the +1 relationship between numbers. So if you look at this chart over here, we're just going to be talking about that every time you go up a number, 1 dot gets added, and then you start to see patterns develop. 6 is a group of 5 and 1 more, and if you look over here, 16 is a group of 10, and it also has a group of 5 and 1 more. So we're going to be looking at patterns using this number chart. We're also going to be talking about the attributes of triangles. That means, what kind of properties do all triangles have? Like, all triangles have 3 sides, and all triangles have 3 corners. Even if the triangle is turned upside down like this silly guy, he's still a triangle because he has 3 sides and 3 corners still. Our social curriculum this week is talking about how to identify anger. So what can you look for in someone's face that could tell you that they are angry? Or what could you feel in your own body that might tell you that you are angry? So we're going to be learning about that. And then we're going to be talking about some different strategies we can use to calm down if we are angry. So, everybody have a great week, Here's some pictures from our Constitution Day celebration we had a few weeks ago. We had an assembly, we said the Pledge of Allegiance together, and we also, in this picture down here, all met to listen to a judge from Johnson County read a story. So that was a pretty cool day. Anyway, have a great week. Bye!